I don't wanna be lonely when winter is freezing and trees start to bolt. And I don't wanna be sitting alone in a room that's just filled with my soul. And so I came to this place, I'm looking for a familiar face, and that's when I saw you.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I'm in Andorra today, as you might have guessed. I'm in the mountains, 2 minutes from the border control of Andorra. Decided to park up at this amazing place just on the cliff edge. Woke up this morning, had a lovely coffee overlooking the mountains, and now we are going to drive into Andorra. Anyway, let's go! Just driving into a thunderstorm, as you can see, and the rain is pretty torrential, but at the same time it's pretty cool. I'm enjoying the ride, so yeah, I'll catch you in a bit. What's up, people? As you can see, I'm in the middle of a thunderstorm. It started with a dry thunder, no rain at all, and then the rain came in pretty heavy. I did manage to get a few shots on my phone, and now it's just a downpour of rain. It has not gone more than 10 seconds without lightning strikes or massive flashes in the sky. I've never seen anything like it. There's only one thing to do in times like these. Cheers. The rain is so bad that my van has actually started leaking. What the fuck? I camped here last night. My plan was to go up this mountain yesterday, but I didn't arrive until about 6:30. So I decided to leave it till this morning and stay overnight. But I actually fell asleep yesterday around 6:30 and woke up at 10:30, wide awake. So I had to pretty much endure the whole night. And it was freezing up here. I had no tea and coffee either. I had nothing. I had no food. I had a bowl of sweet corn and some pickles. We're going up there today to see some awesome lakes. Let's go. I'm not exactly sure which way to go because there's two things I want to see here. Obviously I don't want to go the wrong way because it's a bit of a hefty hike. Just saw a lizard back there. Went to grab him and he fucking ran under the rock. Bastard. Fucking bastard. Apparently it's a 2-hour hike. I hope that's not true because I didn't pack any water. Why did I not pack any water? Because I've got a drone in the bag and I know it will leak and I don't want to lose that drone. So, holy shit, I am out of shape. I need to get back into the gym. Going up Death Trail. It's the only reasonable name for it. So if you find this camera, then I'm dead. In which case, please return the properties of this content. 29 Mallards Reach, Marshfield, Cardiff. I think this has got to be one of the stupidest things I've ever done. Fuck hell. What a fucking experience. I'm a legend. A living legend. I've made it to a safe point where I can record and catch my breath. Nobody around if I get stuck. But this looks steep and the sun's beating down on me, so I can't see very well. Fucking hell. These rocks are moving. Oh my goodness. This is fucking stupid. This next bit looks rough. This is unbelievable. This is fucking stupid. dangerous. I need to put the camera away. Fucking hell.